This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Ugh, the stepmother is so evil! She even mocked Cinderella's ruined dress!
In one of the versions of the tale, she mixed up 2 kinds of grain and ordered Cinderella to separate them.
She's so arrogant! I'd refuse to do that!
And what would you do with the grains?
Well, I've got to think about that, but it would be something really cool!
It's hard to corner you. You know, I have an idea for a new craft.
What? Is it about grains?
No, there will be lots of different colorful buttons. Let's go.
Holy cannoli! Let's pause the movie and make this idea come true!
La 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 la.
Sue, it's not the right time for chilling. Put yourself together.
Yep, we're not here for fun, right guys? Hi!
You're already here! Then let's get started! A flying canvas!
Yeah, today we'll use it for our button collage.
Well, in that case, I guess the palette won't be used for our craft. My bad!
Guys, have you ever seen crafts made of buttons?
Anyway, if you like the idea, give us a huge thumbs up!
Don't block the view!
Oh, sorry.
We'll recreate the iconic Cinderella look from the animated Disney movie.
And her beautiful blue dress! So this is love, so this is love.
Only her dress was actually silver and white. It's a common mistake.
Oh, her outfit's mixed in my brain.
But you weren't wrong. Cinderella in Disneyland wears a blue dress.
Disneyland, movies, now I'm totally confused.
And many Cinderella costumes for kids are blue too.
Then it's cool that we have so many blue buttons.
And we're gonna use several different shades of blue. Check them out.
I can't pick the most favorite one. Where do we start? Sue, help me, please!
Don't worry, I will. Let's start with the yellow ones. We'll carefully add some super glue and attach the button to the canvas. It's like painting. Oops, I forgot something. This will help us distinguish between the shades to imitate the light and shadows effect. Hup!
And you can also change your look with the buttons. Check out my new hairstyle!
What a wig! And Cinderella has a perfect princess hairdo. So pretty.
But Cinderella wasn't a princess at that ball yet! Got something to say?
Oh, you're right! And she was the first non-royal Disney princess too!
Sue, may I add my individual button? I promise it's gonna be awesome!
You don't even need to ask.
Thanks. Okay, where should I… Ah, this is a perfect spot for it! We certainly should use more unique buttons.
I'm totally for it! Let's add them to her hairstyle. There we go! All done! And how should I pick the color for a headpiece?
Mix them like paint, Sue!
Nice! I'll try a new way of attaching buttons then! Let's spread them inside the outlines, like this.
It looks… Hey, who poured buttons on me? Ah, it's like a massage! Not bad!
And Princess's hair is ready. She's looking good.
Is she happy? Or disappointed? I can't say!
It's because we haven't done her face features yet.
Then let's do it! Guys, stay tuned!
Guys, you came back just in time. We've just started coloring Cinderella's face.
What emotions does she show? A surprised face? Or a frowning face?
I don't think that Cinderella can frown.
It's like you, Susie! You and the princess have a lot in common!
Really? You flatter me. Guys, do you agree with that?
Woohoo! If you agree, please give us a lot of thumbs up!
In the meantime, we'll work on her beautiful eyes.
And she has long eyelashes, like mine, but the natural ones. Oopsie!
Sam is right. I mixed several colors to make the eyeball, the iris, the pupil, and the eyelashes. Pop! Let's repeat the same with the other eye.
Sue, I always wondered what was Cinderella's shoe size.
Actually, it's 4.5, and the size was mentioned in one of the following movies.
No, Susan, you can't be a modern Cinderella.
Well, some things like the shoe size you can't change.
But we can change the size of the buttons. Take this one.
Great! I'll use it for the iris. Wow, it fits perfectly!
And don't forget about her lips, because without them, Cinderella won't get a true love's kiss.
Got it. How did she get such a perfect smile?
She just has good lipstick. Uh-oh?
And what about her teeth? They're so white.
She brushes them very well. No less than 2 minutes, guys.
Just a few buttons. Here and there. And we're done.
Oh, she still looks quite pale. Maybe we can do something about it?
I think more beige buttons will do just fine. Check this out! Great! Now her face looks perfect, right? The next step is her choker accessory.
Then that means we need a lot of black buttons. Do we have enough?
Oops, seems like we don't have any more. What are we gonna do?
Don't worry, we'll substitute them with the blue ones.
Great idea. Guys, don't be sad if something goes not as you've planned.
It means you can improvise. Just set your imagination free.
Nice suit, Sammy. Guys, you can create clothes made of buttons too.
Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more button-inspired crafts.
Sam, you know a lot about fashion. Isn't the choker more of a modern style accessory?
Actually, it was worn in many eras, especially in the middle of the 18th century.
Interesting. Then I guess Cinderella is a fashionista as well.
And the fairy godmother. She created her look after all.
Oh, if only she could help us with the dress too.
Wait a minute, Susan. I don't know where a real fairy godmother is, but I can be your personal slime fairy.
That would be great. Please help me, slime fairy.
I just need a bit of practice. Guys, just wait for it and stay tuned!
Okay, slime fairy. What are we gonna do next?
It's the easiest question, my dear. We're gonna make her amazing puffy sleeves!
Got it. Then I'll start with the narrowest part.
And then you'll make the biggest sleeve you can!
Okay, someone got too excited, but I can make fairy's wish come true.
Thanks, Susan. And I'm gonna go change. It's too hot in this outfit.
Guys, remember that you can craft along with us and make your own collage. Or you can get creative and make something different. Either way, your craft will be awesome.
So check this out! I found even more buttons with unique designs! Look!
Wow, this is so cool! Right, guys? We're gonna attach it right here. Great!
Goodbye, buttons! Sorry, but there is no place for you!
Come on, that's not true. No button will be left behind.
Woohoo! You'll find a home soon!
Ah, and what about my slime fairy? I need just a piece of his magic.
I feel the energy inside!
It looks really cool. Wait, and what about this part?
Huh? What if we missed something else? Uh-huh. Nope. Everything seems just fine here.
And that's it.
Then she can finally go to the ball!
Not yet. We still have to finish the background. What color should we choose?
Hey, maybe we'll pick yellow, huh?
But it would ruin her hair. Something else?
Red color then? Let's be daring!
Oh no, it doesn't fit Cinderella's vibe.
Okay, then let's use blue again. An all-time classic!
Right, and it looks like part of her dress.
Guys, it's the last stage of today's craft! Let's save our energy and speed up! Holy cannoli! It looks awesome! And all buttons found their special place!
Only this one is left. You should make a wish upon a star, right? So here it is, and we can finally see the result. La 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 la. Oh, you're a good dancer, princess.
Susan! Ugh, you've lost your sneaker!
It seems like I got into Cinderella's character.
And I have to run around the whole house chasing you.
Hey, Grumpy Slime, someone wants to meet you.
Sorry for the fuss, Your Highness. May I have the next dance?
It's gonna be a royal dance party. Subscribe to our channel, guys. And bye-bye.
Wait, Sue! Guys, see you soon! Give us a thumbs up if you liked our craft! And don't lose your sneakers like Sue!
Radio! She's been listening to it all day!
Hiya, Countess. What you doing?
Oh, Your Majesty! When did you get here? Oh, you caught me listening to my favorite program, Good Castle Keeping.
And your meals will taste even more delicious if you polish your silverware with love.
I can't take it anymore.
What's that interfering with my program? Wait, that sounds like an SOS call.
Sing to them at the same time.
It is an SOS call. Someone must be in danger.
Because never forget, a shiny spoon is a happy spoon.
That sounds like penguins. They must be in trouble. Come on, let's go find them.
All right, be careful then, and I'll stay here and make sure the spoons are happy. Oh.
Do you see any penguins? Hey! Icebergs at this time of the year? How strange.
Strange and so annoying.
We can't go swimming with all that ice in the sea. It's far too dangerous. Maybe it's a penguin ship we heard calling for help.
Penguins? Yeah, we heard the ice shipwrecked one of their boats.
Shipwrecked? We have to go save the penguins!
Oh, nobody wants to take us out on their boat. They say it's too dangerous with all the icebergs.
Boats are always dangerous. I mean, they're on water.
Well, if nobody wants to take us, then we'll just have to take ourselves. We can use this raft.
There's only room for two. Guess I'll have to see you guys later.
No, Kitty Cat, I need both of my royal guards for this mission. I have an idea. Are you okay back there?
At least I'm not on water skis. Oh! Hey, this isn't so bad after all.
Whoa, whoa, look out! There's so much more ice now! Look at that island! There's a boat!
What a relief to be back on dry land.
So it must have been these penguins who sent the distress signal. What a relief to find them.
The ice must have forced their ship up on this island, but the penguins seem to be okay for now.
And we can't really rescue them until we get rid of the ice anyway.
Would you mind waiting here a little while longer?
We'll go find out where these strange icebergs are coming from. Maybe we can stop them. You say the icebergs are coming from the Twin Princess's castle?
It figures.
Well, then let's go pay the Twin Princesses a visit. Come on.
What? Well, we're going already? We just got here.
Billy, the icebergs are just too thick now. We can't go any further by boat.
You're right, but we're so close. We can't stop now. Come on.
Oh, it's bad enough it's water. Does it have to be cold and slippery, too?
So that machine is making all this ice?
This ice machine we got from Bad Fairy is so cool.
This is private property. Scram! I'm glad you've been having fun here, but can you please stop? Your icebergs are putting the rest of Magic in danger.
Danger? I don't see any danger. Do you, Internet?
Oh, nothing at all, Marie.
But all the ice is filling up Magic-y Sea.
Duh, no kidding. How else are we gonna have the biggest ice skating rink in the world? But the ships can't get through.
Well, that sounds like the ship's problem, not ours.
Okay, I tried asking nicely. If you're not going to stop that machine, we'll have to do it ourselves. Oh, yeah? Pandas!
If you'll excuse us, we'd like to get back to skating on our rink.
And you're not invited. Not invited, huh?
Those
twin princesses are so selfish. They want everything to themselves.
That's exactly right. Come on, Truman, let's go get the penguins. I've got an idea. You stay here, Sir Kitty Cat. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I would stay right here if I could stop sliding.
Oh, look, an ice dancer.
Hey, oh.
Hey, you're not allowed to stay here.
I'm trying not to.
These are some of the sailors you put in danger today. Go have some fun, guys.
Hey, who said they could come to our ice rink?
This rink isn't yours anymore. The sea belongs to everyone. Huh. Suddenly, I don't want to skate anymore.
The machine! It's out of control!
We have to stop it! Help!
How do you like your ice machine now?
We don't! It's terrible! You can have it! Please take it! We never want to see it again! Okay, we'll take it off your hands.
Hey, do you think you could get us out of here?
I don't know. These ice blocks are pretty solid. There's no way we can move them.
But don't worry, they'll melt in a couple of hours. A couple of hours? Ice cream cones! Come and get your ice cream cones!
Hey, now this kind of water I like.
It's even better when eaten with a shiny spoon. Yum.
Good thing the machine had an option to make ice cream, huh, Billy?
I'll say, this way we can all enjoy a treat while the icebergs in the harbor melt.
Good thinking. We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magic-y. It's okay if there are no apples left. I've got something else we can eat.
Wow, snow cones! Awesome, Billy!
Come on, Truman. Let's go in the kitchen and fill my snow cone machine up with ice. Hey, what about us? Can we have snow cones too? No, you must be too full from all the apples you ate.
I guess we shouldn't have been so selfish.
Now that's what I've wanted to hear. Come on, there's plenty for everyone.
Yay!